Hello traders and welcome back. Today we are starting a new series. You will like it so much. Don't scroll down, okay? This video series is about the exposed trading gurus. Okay, man, as you know that there are lots of scammers on the YouTube. Everything gurus are thinks that they are the perfect trader. No. We will expose all the scammers on the earth. And we are starting with the Fxalexg. Fxalexg. Is he a scammers or not? He's a millionaire man. He has lots of things. Private jet, Bugatti, luxury homes. Okay, don't scroll down. You like it so much. Let's start the investigation. We will have fun together. Let's start. Okay, man, let's just start. Fxalexg. Yes. Okay, guys, let's start. This video of Alexg watched approximately 100,000 for the 3 days. It's perfect. But something is wrong, I think. Alex is shorting the gold. First of all, if you see something like this is not a short, this is a long. First of all, you need to understand this. You need to... Sorry, guys, don't follow this man. He doesn't know anything. Okay, this is a full bullish trend, okay? Nobody want to short the gold in this trend. It's really funny. It's really funny. Let's watch it. He is shorting the gold and make approximately $136,000. Do you think that... Sorry. If you see something like this pattern, you never short anything, okay? You never short anything. This is bullshit. If you short this, you don't know anything about the trading. Dips are still safe, and the tops are breaking. Pairs saying that I will go up. I will go down. I will run. Why are you shorting here? Why do you want to short here? This is the gold. Don't short this. Why are you shorting this? Okay. Check the systems. Okay. Gold is trying to break the $2,000. Approximately 50 years. Gold is trying to break the $2,000. And it's done. Break it. Okay. And now you cannot short the gold. You cannot short it. You don't think about the short the gold. Every people on the earth waiting this approximately 15 years, 50 years, approximately 50 years. Every people waiting the $2,000 this. Why are we shorting the gold? I cannot understand. This is not about trading, man. This is it. He doesn't know anything about trading. Okay, doesn't know anything about trading. Gold breaks, and after this candle, after this monthly candle, you never try to short the gold, okay? You never try to short the gold. It's bullshit. Why are you shorting the gold? I will show you the USD Turkish lira TRE graphs. The gold changed in the 2012. HEP, the White Party, come to the government and it's stable days, and during 8 years, economy was stable, not good, not bad. Down, short stars. Okay, would you like to short this? Alex, please short this there. It's the same graphs, man. Shoulder and shoulder boy. Come on, man. Right, look at this. This supply. A new video from you, please short this. And new one. Argentina pesos and the USD chat. I want a new video about the long this. The loss of shoulder and shoulder. Want to long it? Yes, you will long it. I know you will long it. If you find this pair, if you find this Argentina panels USD charts in your broker, you will long it. Come on, man. Come on. This is gold. Nobody can short this. Nobody. There's no sign. Okay, there's no sign to short. There's no sign. Alex says that I'm shorting gold. Yes, I'm in the replay mode. Sorry, I need my glass. I cannot see very well. Yes. Alex says that I'm shorting from here until here. This is my TP, okay? And make a video about this and publish it in the YouTube. And 100,000 people watched. This is shit, man. This is shit. Let's watch what will happen. Yeah, yes. Oh my God, Alex, you didn't make money. You stole it all. So why did you publish these videos? You didn't make money, man. I take the replay mode and I take the step position as you. And we lost money. Why? Why are you doing this to people? Why are you doing this to people, man? Up, 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 up. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Why are you doing this, man? Why are you doing this? You didn't win anything. Your trade was false. You don't know anything about trading, man. I'm really angry about you. I'm really angry about you. 3 days. This video publish it in 3 days. There's a 1,678 comments. Very, very much comments. And I'm checking the comments. Perfect trade checklist, 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 perfect trade checklist. Perfect trade checklist, perfect trade checklist, perfect trade checklist, perfect trade checklist. Oh my God. Perfect red checklist, perfect red checklist, perfect red checklist, perfect red checklist. You're a cheater, man. Don't do this, man. If you make good videos, people want to watch it, people enjoy, but this is not the way. Perfect red checklist, perfect red checklist. Who watched this video? I'm really wondering who watched this video. 100,000 people watch it. 1,670 comments all the same. Perfect trade checklist, perfect trade checklist, all the same. And this guy has approximately 1 million subscribers. It's very funny. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know anything about trading. He doesn't know anything about the markets. He doesn't know anything. I don't understand why do people do this to themselves? Why? Why? I don't understand. Perfect red checklist, perfect red checklist. How many? How many? Let's check them all. Good. Perfect red checklist, approximately 1,000. Perfect red checklist. There's not another count. Oh, there's one count. What go from use trade gold in the United States? Guy, you stop trading. I want to see another comment, please. One comment, one different count. Oh my God. I want to see only one different comment, please. There's no perfect trade checklist, perfect trade check. Oh, get out. We fight this guy, my colleagues, my team, fight this guy and make an interview with him, and you will watch it. And first of all, I want to warn you about this. This guy only knows the shoulder, head, shoulder. Watch the old videos, okay? I watched old videos of him, and he is talking about the shoulder, head, shoulders only. Only talking about this. All his polishing about the shoulder, head, and shoulders. So, now, watch the interview. We meet with him, we call him, we want to make an interview with you, and he accepts, and we make the interview. Our team plays and make an interview with him. Please watch it.
Today we are with Alex, the most successful trader in the world. Hello, Alex.
Hello, all traders on the world.
What do you owe your trading success to? Which strategy? Which plan? Of course, head and shoulders strategy. What is your biggest regret so far? What would you like to change? That's a tough one. My biggest regret is not having learned the shoulder, head, shoulder strategy earlier. What would you like to say lastly?
Shoulder, head, shoulder, shoulder, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Shoulder, head, shoulder.
What, did you lose again? Study well. There is another training for $1,000. Buy my new training and start to win.
Let's sing.
Shoulder.
Okay, people, please don't follow these guys, these cat guys. These cat guys only take your money. Okay. Money is important. Money is very important. Do not give your money this shits. Okay. Thank you very much for the watching. And if you want to learn trading really, watch my channel. I will show you everything about trading. And I will give you free money. Okay. Don't watch this shits. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. I want only one thing from you. Just subscribe me and watch my videos every day. You will learn trading from A to Z. Okay. You will make money. I'm giving you the free money. I'm giving you fucking free money. Don't pass this. Good night.